Hey guys, good evening. Today is August 22nd, 2021. And I'm here with an update for Tronfinity. Just to recap, 3 or 4 days ago, we introduced Tronfinity. And if you weren't with us, we'll give you a little update. 7% daily payout up to 300% ROI on your investment. They have 15% referral rewards on 3 levels, and each level gives 5% referral. And the minimum investment for this smart contract is just 100 TRX. They do have a 20% reinvestment on every withdrawal. And they also have a separate withdrawal for the daily earnings and also the referral earnings. So it will be interesting to see if they take 20% of the referrals also into account when you do your redeposit. So I'm not sure if the referral commissions go directly to the wallet. Well, they don't, because you have to withdraw. Okay, so far on our 1,000 TRX investment, we've earned 359.85. And for the referral commissions, because they are 5% on each level, the earnings are 460.15. So as you can see here, for level 1, there's been 8 referrals, 4 referrals on level 2, and then 1 referral on level 3. So let's go ahead and withdraw now, make sure we're in the right wallet. Let's do a withdrawal of the 359. So of the 359, 287 was withdrawn. And then there was a redeposit of 71.9771 TRX. Now let's do a withdrawal of the commissions. And let's see what that did. Okay, it looks like almost the entirety of the commissions, because it was 461, so minus some for the transaction fee. So I guess 100% of the referral commissions go in. Let's look at TronScan to see where the contract stands right now. There's just been 276 transactions, and the balance currently is 547,041.65 TRX, and that translates into a dollar amount of 48,642.15 US dollars. And so this contract is going pretty good. It doesn't have an abundance of investors right now. They're showing 117 investors, but it is going pretty steady for small investments such as ours. So if you are part of Tronfinity, make sure you share your referral link so that you can get your ROI back a little faster. Join their community on Telegram so that you can see what's going on and get a heads up if there's any surge of withdrawals or anything like that. And that's all for today. I'll follow up with this smart contract in another 3 to 4 days. And that's it for now. So safe investing, smart investing, and remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. And we'll see you tomorrow.